welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make a mango Italian rice with brown rice, not with normal rice. For a diet it will be very good, and brown rice is very rich in nutrients and it's equivalent to so many good grains, and it's not like normal rice, so we need to add brown rice in our diet. And if we eat with mango, we don't feel that taste of nutty flavor of brown rice. Mango is the most delicious vegetable, so I am going to incorporate in an Italian kind of flavor. For that, I am going to make a dip with red capsicum. We can roast the red capsicum in an open fire, in an open flame, but I am not going to do like that. I am going to add the nutrients, not lose the nutrients. So I am going to just saute in oil. So that the Italian dip with Italian. So let's make this mango Italian rice with capsicum dip. The ingredients for mango Italian rice: we need brown rice, about 1 cup. About 1 cup of brown rice steamed. Half a cup of mango. About 7 to 8 garlic, peeled and chopped. 1 spoon of pepper. Italian herbs. Sesame oil or extra virgin olive oil. And for the capsicum dip, we need red capsicum, a big one, and 5 to 6 dried red chilies, cashews 10 to 15, 3 spoons of sesame seeds, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 2 tomatoes, and pepper and salt. To start with, first we will make the dip and then we will make the rice, because for the dip we need to saute everything and make it cool and then blend it. So by the time it is getting cool, we can make the Italian rice, because already brown rice is cooked. So let's make this dip. I am adding sesame oil. You can add butter or olive oil, but sesame oil is usually taken. I am adding dried red chilies, capsicum, mustard seeds, instead of tomatoes, we can add sun-dried tomatoes also. So just put it in a boiling water and drain it, and then add to the dip. So it has sauteed perfectly. Now we can add tomatoes. Little pepper. Now I am adding garlic, cashews, and then sesame, white sesame together. Turn off the stove. And then I'm adding salt. If you put the capsicum in fire, that is in a flame, the skin you can feel which will be burnt and it will be very nice. The texture will be very different. But the skin has so many nutrients, so I am doing like this. So let it become cool and then we will blend it. So we can make this Italian mango rice now. Let's start this Italian mango rice. I am adding olive oil. The olive oil, I am adding garlic powder. Herbs of your choice. Any herbs will be good. It depends on your taste. You can add mild herbs also. But these are very good for health, so I will add more. And then pepper. Then goes your mango. Add little salt. Just 2 minutes, no need to cook for long. Now we can add rice. Brown rice I have cooked. You can add Parmesan cheese or any cheese, whatever is available. But Parmesan cheese will be very good. It is optional. If you are having Parmesan cheese, you can add. Or else, like this itself, it will be very nice. It's a very simple but very delicious, and also it feel like a continental. It will be very good. Usually we will have mango rice, that is manga sadam. But to attract or to make others have more, you can make a change. So once it is mixed, that is over actually. No need to cook. The mango flavor will go. So I am going to turn off the stove now. And finally, I am going to blend this to get a beautiful dip. So the dip is ready. So now we can serve this Italian mango rice. I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. It is optional. Or else you can add cashew grated, like a cheese. You can grate cashews. Then you can add. So I'm going to taste this mango rice with this dip, which is very beautiful. It's very nice. It's a very totally different mango in an Italian flavor. It suits very well, and this dip also is very good. If you want to roast that, put it in a fire. It will also be good. That capsicum, red capsicum. Then you can peel the skin. That will be more good, tastier. But this is good for health. Try this dip and this Italian rice and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.